Yeah, hi. My name is Sahil Makwana, and my company name is MR Laser Technology. Okay, we are the manufacturer of laser machine like a laser marking machine, laser fiber laser marking machine, UV laser marking machine, CO2 laser marking machine, and laser soldering machine in the gold, silver, and brass material, and the laser welding in the industrial area like SS, MS, copper, steel. It will be done in that machine. We are based in the Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are working since 8 years in the Ahmedabad. And in a total 24 local cities, our service support is there with our local engineer. We are giving the all kind of the service in there. And our company is working in the pan India and also export in the other countries like Canada, USA, foreign countries like that. And our machine is no chemical, only electricity, and then zero maintenance machine.